Hi guys, welcome to the Financial Couple. My name is David and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Before we get started, I just wanted to give you guys a brief introduction about myself. I'm currently 23 years old. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of Arizona in systems engineering. I have been investing and learning the overall process of the stock market for a year and a half. I've read multiple books, bought a few courses, done earning reports, and have gone over 1,000 hours of research for different companies. My investing style is long-term, however, I do tend to do some swing trading, but when I say swing trading, it is on a monthly base, or it is not so much of like daily or weekly. Let's just say that there's a company that I'm really interested in. I will buy it on, let's say, December, and then I might sell it until May. That's when I will see potential in stock. So I don't hold anything from short-term, everything is long-term. Since I started investing in the stock market, I've always reinvested all of my profits and I just keep adding more and more to my portfolio. Some of my favorite investors are Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and Benjamin Graham. This course is to show you guys how to get started in the stock market. It is intended for beginners or people that might need to go over specific topics. My goal is to teach you everything you need to know before you make your first investment. Each week I will be uploading a new video that will help you understand the whole process. I will provide you with examples and we will go over them together. Guys, I strongly encourage you to take notes, and if at any point in time you have a question, please just write it down in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So what is the stock market? Well, the stock market is just a network of multiple markets where numerous corporation shares are traded and issued to investors. In other words, big corporations offer a piece of ownership of their business for a specific price per share. We could also say that the stock market is kind of like an auction house where multiple investors bid on the price while buying or selling stocks. Now, to give you guys a visual example, let's think of a company like Apple. So here it is. When you decide to invest with them, you will acquire a stock, which will be this small piece of the whole company. I know it's not a big piece, but you're still an owner of that company, which is pretty cool. Now, you might be wondering, why do companies offer shares? And the reason is because companies are benefited by doing this since they're able to raise their capital for potential growth without having the necessity of borrowing money. Now, from the investor or shareholder side, the stock market is a way to participate and contribute in the company's development to increase their capital as a reward for taking a specific risk for a defined time. So, what are the stock market asset classes? In other words, what can I buy in the stock market? Well, for this course, we will be focusing on stocks, mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs. Finally, where and how can you buy stocks? Well, back in the 1800s, stocks were traded in the floor of the physical stock exchange in Wall Street, New York City, where each shareholder was given a physical paper stock certificate, also known as a security. This included the total number of shares owned, but nowadays every single transaction is done electronically through a broker, which will be covered later on. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. Also follow us on Instagram at The Financial Couple. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And besides that, I'll see you guys on the next video.